Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys the protein powder that I've been putting in my shakes lately. It's this MRM Veggie Elite Vanilla Bean Protein Powder. And the reason why I chose this protein powder is because I found that it had really good ingredients. It was gluten-free, and of course, it was vegan. So I cannot have any milk or any whey products, and that's why I went with this one. I really like that this is a great tasting protein powder. This is what it looks like up close. So a very fine powder. It tastes really good. It mixes really well in here, so I don't feel any grinding or any pieces in there. It mixes really well, and it just is really sweet. So I have some strawberries, some almond milk, and spinach in here, and it'll come out tasting really good and sweet. So I really love this protein powder, and that's my point of view.